Hi children and viewers. In previous video I explained about structure of human eye. Up to now you didn't see that video, just watch that video, you must. I will keep that link in this description. Clear? So children, so what we discussed there, simply while the light is coming from the long objects or any needed object, the light is falling onto the lens. The lens can form the image on the retina. Then on retina the image must be inverted image. So after that, with the help of the optic nervous system, the brain can interpret it. The brain can make the image should be as it is in the same size and color. I clearly explained the same thing in previous video. In this video I am going to explain about the accommodation of eye lens. What is mean by accommodation of eye lens? So here accommodation is nothing but the ability of the lens to change its focal length. The ability of the lens to change its focal length is called accommodation. So accommodation is the one of the great phenomena of eye. When the accommodation takes place in our eye, then obviously we do not have any defects of eye. If there is not possible for the accommodation process, then we can feel some defects in our eyes. So defects of eyes later we discuss. In this video just simply go for what is mean by accommodation. Children, watch the video without skipping, then only my content will reaches you. Clear? What is mean by accommodation? It is the ability of the eye lens to change its focal length is called accommodation. So generally what we discussed, so here, so this is the structure of eye simply here, and this is what retina. What's that? This is the retina, and I am drawing now, this is the lens, eye lens. What's that? Eye lens. Here generally the distance between lens to the retina is 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 centimeters. It is the maximum focal length. Maximum focal length. Clear? While the light is coming from the long distances, when the light is coming from long distance, it seems to be a parallel beam of light. Parallel beam of light. So when the light is incident on that one, what you have to observe? You have to observe the lens can form the image on retina. The rays should be, after refraction, they should be meet at one point on the retina. Then only we can find the image. So children, here the focal length means what we take generally? Optic center to the focus point. Optic center to the focus point. What we call, in case of a convex lens, where we can take focal length from optic center to the focus point. What is meant by focus point? After refraction, where all the light rays should be, seems to be converged. After refraction, all the light should be converged to a one point. That point is known as generally focus. Clear? The optic center to the, here for example, this is the convex lens. It is a convex lens. Here this is the principal axis. While the light rays are coming from long distance, there seems to be parallel beam of light. So after refraction, they should be meet at one point. Now this is the point F here. Here this is the optic center O, and O to F is what we take? Focal length. Focal length. Same here, eye lens is quite similar to the convex lens. Clear? So here, while the light is coming from long distance, the image can forms on the retina. Forms on the retina. Now this distance between eye lens to that particular point should be taken as here focal length. What's that? Focal length. This focal length value should be changes by the lens itself. by the lens itself. Children, this is one of the important topic for 4 marks question. It should be also in given the 2 marks question also. That much of important topic. That's why don't neglect this one. Here we in this accommodation there are 2 possibilities are there. There are 2 possibilities. The first thing is what here? Simply accommodation of eye lens means what? The focal length, what we said now, the focal length value should be changes by the lens itself. The eye lens only can change its focal length. That should be called accommodation actually. Here how the accommodation of the lens should be takes place under different situations. In the first situation, object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. I mean that means at long distance. You may also call as object is far away or for long distances. For long distances. So for long distance we have to find out the now focal length of eye lens. Focal length of eye lens. Already we have formula is there. Lens formula. What's that? 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Clear? This is the lens formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here what is the situation? Long distance or infinity or object at infinity. This is the situation. Clear? In this case, when the object is at infinity, you may take u value is minus infinity. Clear? U value is what? Infinity. And what is the v? V is image distance. V is the image distance. The distance from lens to the image is what we call image distance. Here now, where we are reading the image? This one. Clear? This is the, I already told you, what is the distance between lens to the retina? 2.5 centimeters. The distance between lens to the retina is how much? 2.5 centimeters. That's why here, this is nothing but here we have, this is the image here. From optic center to the image, what we take? Image distance. That's why in this case, V is equals to 2.5 centimeters. So what you take? V is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Got children? Object is at infinity. That's why I am taking u is equals to minus infinity. Why we are writing the minus infinity? According to the sign convention, the measurements what we are taken in opposite direction of incident light, they can be taken as negative. Already we discussed in the previous chapters rules for ray diagrams. So on that time we discussed very clearly. Here why I am taking u is equals to minus infinity? Here we are taking the value from eye lens to the object. Eye lens to the object. That's why eye lens to the object means the light is going in this direction. The light here simply the arrow marks can identify the direction of moving of light. For that we are taking the u values in opposite. That's why what we take? U is equals to minus infinity. Minus infinity. And V is equals to 2.5 centimeters. So when we are taking in opposite direction, value is minus. When we are taking the value in the direction of incident light, then V is positive. Then substitute here 1 by f is equals to 1 by f is equals to 1 by what is the value? 2.5. 2.5 minus 1 by what's the u value? S minus infinity. What's that? Minus infinity. Minus of minus plus. Then 1 by f is equals to 1 by 2.5 plus of minus here 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity. So what is mean by 1 by infinity? 1 by infinity value is what? 0. That's why here I will write here 1 by f is equals to 1 by 2.5 plus here 1 by infinity value means what? 0. That's why I write 1 by f is equals to 1 by 2.5. So then what write? F is equals to 2.5 centimeters. This is the first case, children. F is equals to 2.5 children. 2.5 children. So here situation what is children, when the object is at infinity, what is the focal length of eye lens? So that's we have to measure. For that what we take, lens formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here the object is at infinity, that's why what we write, u is equals to minus infinity, minus why we are moving in the opposite direction of incident light. And after that, where you are getting the image is on the retina. Already we discussed what is that, lens to the retina is how much distance, 2.5 centimeters. Now you have to substitute 1 by f is equals to 1 by 2.5 minus 1 by infinity, and 1 by f is equals to 1 by 2.5 plus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity means 0, then what again, 1 by f is equals to 1 by 2.5, then f is equals to 2.5 centimeters. This is the maximum focal length of the eye lens. What's that? Maximum focal length. So here the distance 2.5, how much what we taken? Maximum focal length. What's that here? Maximum focal length of the eye lens is how much? F maximum is equals to 2.5 centimeters. What's that? 2.5 centimeters. This is the first case. What's that? This is the first one. Clear? And second case we have same thing, but little bit difference is there here. Here same thing we are taken. This is now here eye. This is the total eye, spherical shape. This portion we are finding outside. In this case, the object is at least distance of distinct vision. Then also here the eye lens can make some image on retina. Clear? So this is the situation. Here where is the object? Least distance of distinct vision. Already I explained in one of the video what is mean by least distance of distinct vision. So in this playlist, I think what we added now, this is video should be added to one playlist. In that playlist, the playlist name is Human Eye and Colorful World. In that playlist, the first video, you must watch the first video, the video about the least distance of distinct vision. So in that it is very clear. What is mean by least distance of distinct vision? At particular distance, we have to keep one particular object for some distance. At particular distance only we are able to see the object very clearly. That is what we call least distance of distinct vision. I clearly explained about the least distance of vision. That should be in activity 1. With very clear activity is there. That's why you must watch it. Now I am going direct to topic here. For a healthy human, the least distance of distinct value is 25 centimeters. That's why here in this case the object is at where it is? Object is at least distance of distinct vision. Object is at least distance of distinct vision. How much? L is equals to 25 centimeters. So this is the here. Now in this case we have to find out the focal length. Here again same formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u we have to take. Clear? Here what is u? How much distance? 25 centimeters. In this case u is equals to 25 centimeters, and the distance should be taken in opposite direction of incident light. That's why it is minus 25. Clear? After that, here what is the image distance? Where we are getting the image? On retina. We are getting on retina. That's why distance is how much? 2.5 centimeters. I already told you the distance from lens to the Retina is how much? 2.5 centimeters. That's why here what we take, V is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Then substitute here 1 by F is equals to 1 by 2.5 minus 1 by minus of 25. Clear? Minus of 25. Then what do you get, children? 1 by 2.5 minus of minus plus 1 by 25. Here I am writing, this should be like this, 10 by 25. 2.5 by 10. Here what is meant? 2.5 means what? 25 by 10. Simply like that. From that what do you write? 10 by 25 plus 1 by 25. This is what? 1 by F. From that what we get? 1 by F is equals to 11 by 25. What do you get? 1 by F is equals to 11 by 25. That means what? F is equals to 25 by 11. F is equals to 25 by 11. So you have to do this one now here. 25 by 11. 11 2s are 22. 3. Again 0 here. 11 2s are again 22. What do you get? 8. So that means here we will get F value is 2.27. What's that? 2.27 centimeters. So here this is the focal length. Now this should be taken as the minimum focal length of eye lens. Minimum focal length of eye lens, that is how much? 2.27 centimeters. Clear? Now tell me whether the focal length is adjusted or not. As adjusted. In previous what we have, focal length is F is equals to 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 centimeters. Now 2.27 centimeters. That's why here what you have to say, by naturally the eye lens can change its focal length. Clear? That phenomena is called accommodation. What's that? Accommodation. Children, see once here. In this case, the object is at least distance of distinct division. The value of least distance of distinct division is 25 centimeters for a healthy person. Clear? Then here, then what did it say? The eye lens can form the image on the retina. Already the distance between lens to the retina is 2.5 centimeters. So now 2.5 centimeters can be taken as the image distance. What is that? Image distance. Here now again we can go for lens formula. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Here U is the object distance. That means here minus 25 centimeters we are taken, and here V is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Then obviously here what do you, by substituting all the values what do you get? F is equals to 25 by 11, that is F is equals to 2.27 centimeters. This should be called as the minimum focal length of eye lens. So children, in this way the focal length of lens should be changes. The maximum value of focal length is what? It is the objective bit. What is the value of maximum focal length of eye lens? How much it is? 2.5 centimeters. What is the minimum focal length of eye lens is what? It is 2.27 centimeters. That's why objective bit also we will get like the questions, and in problems also we have sometimes they mention the value of maximum focal length and minimum focal length. You have to remember that. So maximum focal length of eye lens is 2.5 centimeters and minimum focal length of eye lens is 2.27 centimeters. Children, this is simply about the accommodation of eye lens. Maybe it is short, but it is very important topic. So you must watch the video without skipping from starting to the ending. So I hope you understand. If you can understand this video, like, share, comment the video and subscribe my channel for latest notification. Children, bye, take care. We will meet in the next video with some other topic. Bye, take care.